This is a new era where fairness and competition go hand in hand. AI is changing how we think about sports. It is not just about winning or losing, it's about creating an experience that is immersive, engaging, and fair. AI is transforming the very fabric of sports, making it more accessible and exciting for everyone. It is making things very interesting. The future of sports is here, and it is more thrilling than we ever imagined. With AI at the helm, we are entering a new era of innovation and excitement where the possibilities are endless and the games are more captivating than ever before. Athletes are always trying to improve, whether it's running faster, lifting heavier, or perfecting their form. The quest for excellence never stops. They push their limits every day, striving to be the best versions of themselves. But now, there's a revolutionary tool that's changing the game. Now they have a new tool, AI. Artificial intelligence is making waves in the world of sports and fitness. It's not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. With AI, athletes can access a level of precision and personalization that was previously unimaginable. AI can create a custom training plan. Imagine having a plan that's tailored specifically to your strengths, weaknesses, and goals. No more one-size-fits-all programs. AI analyzes your data and designs a regimen that maximizes your potential. This plan is just for you. It takes into account your unique physiology, your past performance, and even your future aspirations. It's like having a personal coach who knows you inside out, but with the added advantage of advanced technology. AI can also act like a coach. Imagine a coach who never gets tired, never misses a detail, and is always available. That's what AI offers. It can guide you through every step of your training, providing real-time feedback and adjustments. It can watch you as you train. Using sensors and cameras, AI can monitor your movements, ensuring that your form is perfect and that you're getting the most out of every exercise. It's like having eyes on you at all times, but without the pressure. It can give you tips, whether it's correcting your posture, suggesting a different technique, or motivating you to push harder. AI is there to help. These tips are based on data and analytics, making them incredibly accurate and effective. This helps you get better faster. With AI, progress is not just a possibility, it's a guarantee. The constant feedback and personalized guidance ensure that you're always on the right track, making improvements at a pace you never thought possible. AI is like having a super coach with you all the time. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology and expert knowledge, providing an unparalleled training experience. For athletes, this means reaching new heights and achieving goals that once seemed out of reach. The future of training is here, and it's powered by AI. Section 4, AI threads on champions. Even clothes are changing because of AI. Now there are smart clothes. These clothes can make you better at sports. They can track your heart rate. They can even tell you how to move better. These clothes are the future of sports. Section 5, Robot Refs and Superstats. AI is making sports fairer. It can be used to make calls. These calls are more accurate than human calls. AI can also give fans more information. It can show them stats they have never seen before. This makes watching sports even more fun.